So it's been about 2 weeks since we last touched the Miata. We had a setback because we're missing one of the tension pulleys on the Supercharger kit. Luckily, Track Dog Miata makes a separate kit that they fabbed up themselves. So we ordered that tensioner pulley assembly and it finally came in. I'm just rushing back from the PO box. One of those boxes should have that pulley. I'm gonna go over to my cousin's house where the Miata is at, open those boxes, start working on it. It's been 2 weeks. I guess they watched the video, so that's pretty cool. Thank you guys. Gave us a little wing. I don't know if I'll run that, but that's pretty sick. Shirt. Sweet. And then the goodies that we've been waiting for. Hopefully this is everything that we need. Fingers crossed it is. Brackets. Yeah, I mean, that's enjoyable. That's not too much.
Hit your head when you're working on it. For
sure, no, that's nice. Just gotta run it through a few times. Last time I was over here, we dry fitted the Supercharger. We didn't really throw it in. We kind of figured out what we don't have and what we need to order. Hopefully this time we can throw it in and it can stay in permanently. We ordered this bracket right here for tensioning the Supercharger belt. This pretty much goes right here because we have a power steering and AC delete. Hopefully we have no problems installing it to this stock bracket. I don't really know how this thing mounts up. We have directions. All looking through. We're missing parts. I ordered the OEM bracket to come with this, but they forgot to include it in the box. This bracket right here. I got this one, but it's the wrong one. See you guys on the flip side. Fingers crossed in about a day or two that bracket arrives and I can toss it in. Just got back from making our pick and pull run. We got our power steering bracket right here. Supercharger is getting dry fitted again. Everything is bolted on. You know what they say, this is the third time I've been here. You know what they say, third time's a charm. So, yeah. So I'm hoping that this is the last time. About to do the first start on the Miata. Officially supercharged. Got everything wired up earlier today morning. Ruben came by and DIY'd the intake pipe. And then everything got bolted in. We got all the plumbing done. And it should be ready to start. Fingers crossed it doesn't blow up. So that's where we're going here. Hey, we're at first start, first start.
All right, let's hear it.
Did it come off or snap off?
Came off.
Is it in line?
Yeah, it's close enough. Like it should have not walked off that easy. I bet you it was sitting on a rib or something stupid.
All right, start V2.
Yeah, try to crank it.
Okay, we're just gonna try to crank it really quick. You can stay on the phone.
All right. Stop. Instantly combust. It's not gonna work. I can already tell it's not gonna work. See the belt? Yeah. So it comes off of this pulley. Look how far out it is. But look how far it is over here. So it is the crank pulley that needs to be spaced out or something. Or this whole thing needs to get moved back a lot further.
Alright, I called my Supercharger wizard. He said that he thinks that the belt's too big. So we're on the phone with Napa right now. The belt that kept slipping is the 4PK1170, which is 46 inches and 3/4. So 46 3/4. We have a second belt. We bought like 4 belts, by the way, or I bought 4 belts.
More.
This is the one that we're almost threading on, and this one is 45 and 5/8. We're gonna try to meet the belt sizes in the middle and go with a 46. 46 and 1/8.
46 and 1/8.
Okay, so we're cutting about half an inch off. Fingers crossed, it's not too hard to get on. We have no issues, but onto the 6th belt and the 5th startup. The best part is this is all for like a 30 horsepower game. Like all this work is 30 horsepower on a good day, bro. All right, to Napa we go.
Look at
guys get serious when the lights come out. Plan now. Remove the supercharger. Back trace. I think supercharger pulley is too far forward. We need to move it back because the crank pulley is a little bit back. So I keep slipping right here. That's pretty much the problem. Do you want to add anything?
Nope.
Back to square one.
They never said winning was easy.
Keep cranking it.
Some people can't handle success.
We're supercharged.
I can. I know what it comes with. Some people can't handle it. I can.
See what's going on with this?
It's a wrap. Still diagnosing. I'll be back tomorrow and fingers crossed we can get it done. Having breakup issues, the car's in a limp. It won't rev past 3,000 RPMs, won't go under load. We threw 92 octane in it instead of the 86 I've been running this whole time, but it's just not running right. Fingers crossed tomorrow I can come by, diagnose it further on. I think it's either fuel cuts from regulator or it's wiring base off of the boost controller or the air fuel map. This is just one of the struggles from going NA to force induction. So wait, so what did you do? I just got here, by the way, but he claims that it runs right.
It does, like.
It's been running. What did you do?
I took a print test drive.
You took that out, the BBK?
Yeah, and it started working right after I got rid of this.
So you think that was throwing
I
us
think
into
it
a
was
limp?
fighting both computers.
Really? Test drive number 1. Brand new day. Alright, first Miata supercharged pull. It actually, it's people that say you can't feel the supercharger power, and it's BS. You hear the whine a little bit too. Sounds like a pulley that's about to get shot. Damn, so it's the JR computer that was throwing us into like a limp?
Yep.
That's literally, damn. Today's the final day that we're gonna go work on the Miata. We got my boy Rubin. So Rubin's gonna be here to help us with the troubleshooting with any issues that we have on the car. We tried to set the timing ourselves yesterday, but the car's running a little wonky. Regarding troubleshooting, we don't really know where to start. So Rubin's gonna be here as a second or a third pair of eyes with the most knowledge when it comes to force induction out of all three of us. So hopefully we can get the car running right, take it home today, and then have a supercharged Miata.
You got a paint marker?
This is gonna be Ruben's first experience in a supercharged Miata.
That doesn't run right.
But yeah, I mean, it probably doesn't run right. Timing set back to factory?
Yeah, it's like
So-
10 degrees. I don't.
10 degrees?
Yeah.
So we haven't retarded it. You're supposed to retard at 6 to 8 degrees, they say. Just like around that.
I just want it out of the way where I'm like, okay, I'm not fighting with the timing. Because you'll obviously run fine with some timing. I think it's spooling up where it's making boost when it should.
It's not a JZ car or anything like that. It just makes it more zippier, supercharger. You'll definitely get more power out of turbo on a Miata 1.6 or 1.8.
I actually
Because you can go over 200 horsepower. Right now we're probably like 130 maybe. Before this, I mean, I would expect it to be like 98 horsepower. Usually they call these the under 100 horsepower club. I mean, we never put on a dyno, but I would expect this to just give us like a 30 horsepower boost, give or take, if that. But yeah, it's not gonna make your car stupid fast. It just makes it a little bit lighter on its feet. Yeah, yeah, I guess we're keeping the car at this. We just have timing back to stock. It's running good. Everything checks out with the dyno maps that we're seeing for the M45 Superchargers on Miatas. We're gonna take it home and then adjust it further on from there. We want to throw an AFR before we start messing with timing even more, but that's pretty much it. Thanks for I'm gonna wrap up the vlog. I'll try to throw some clips of the Supercharger whine towards the end, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the Supercharger install. More coming with this car. We're gonna go hit up the lots probably this weekend or next weekend, and yeah, peace.